Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is an exciting video. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Leslie Nicole. I do weekly videos for you guys, 2 videos a week. I did lose a nail, but that's okay. And if you're returning, welcome back. We have an amazing haul. I'm so excited. It's a PR haul unboxing. I don't really know the stuff that I got, so it's kind of like exciting. It's like a little haul, nothing too crazy. Just wanted to share some of the amazing products that brands send me. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell on when I upload next so you don't miss a video. So let's get into it. We're gonna start off with this cute brand. It is called Joopita. I'm not really sure. They sent me some gorgeous jewelry. I don't remember, again, this came so dear Joopy, thanks, welcome to the Joopita universe. All of our jewelry is handcrafted with an obsessive attention to detail. We'd love to see them on you. Take us on your Instagram and enjoy 10% off your next purchase. So that's really great. They have such cute little pictures here. And so we're gonna open this together. Love it, so excited. Oops. Ooh, super cute. It like has a little bag and it's in here, so that's empty. Super cute. I forget what I got. Oh my gosh. I got a ring. So it's like a pearl. Here, we're gonna go like this. We have this gorgeous ring. This is, it says returns will only be accepted if you keep the tag on it. So there's the ring. And then these are the earrings, and these earrings are such fire. They're perfect for like every day. As you guys can see, super cute. So it's like a huggy and it's got the backing in it. So excited to wear these like on the daily for work. The ring, this ring is straight fire. I think I got a 6. Yeah, I got a 6. So I'm excited to wear that. Oh gosh, I need a nail. I have a nail appointment coming up. So that's from Joopita, which is so amazing. We got a package from Avon. And how cute is this bag? First of all, Avon, love this bag. I feel like some people have bags and they're just not cute, like not cute at all. Came in this gorgeous, okay, so there's, oh my gosh, there's big products in here. So we have the Avon, a new vitamin C, which I have been out of. I'm so excited to have this again. It's been a long time coming. So this is the Glow Body Scrub. Oh my gosh. This came at a good time because I literally been trying to get spray tan off. It has been a struggle, especially in the legs. So this came in perfect timing. So excited. Oh my gosh, this is the Nourishing Body Butter. You guys, I need a body butter so badly, especially with summer. It's hot outside. We need it. Let's go. So we got that. We got Isinox, a new Solaire Active Face Body Sunscreen. 50 SPF. So excited for this, especially for your face and body. So you can use this anywhere. Perfect. I love using, oh, look at that. So gorge. Love it. Probably smells divine. Do you pull it off or do you turn it? Okay, it's a turn. Love it. Smells really good. It smells like vitamin C. So good. It came with a little paper, so we're just going to tell you. So this SPF retails for $42 Canadian. And then the body scrub retails for $50. And then the body butter retails for $45 Canadian. So that's amazing. And you get this super cute bag. Love it. Next thing comes from these amazing people at Frockbox. So you can see that part. Oh my gosh. It says, hey Leslie, we hope you love this sweater. Always love the opportunity to collaborate with you, the Miller team. And this is from Miller Label. If you guys know, I think I have a code. I will put it here. If you're a first time customer, I think it's Lifestyle Leslie 25. Hope that code is still available, but if it's not, I'll link it down below or on the screen for sure. It was so funny because I love when they surprise me with stuff. And then they kind of asked me, what do you like? And I was like, oh girl. So, but look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. We love a good striped sweater. So excited. It's super lightweight. And I feel like the arms are kind of bell, kind of like, but I can't wait to style this. Reel coming very, very soon, if not already coming out. From Burst, this actually was opened, I think. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so we got your upgrade is here. This is the Versed total package. What leveling up feels like. Replenishing body lotion, mineral SPF 30. Ooh, grapeseed oil and kubakosu butter. I don't know. Anyways, so this guy is right here. So this is what it is. I can't really smell it. I just smell the plastic bottle. I feel like it doesn't smell like anything. Replenishing body lotion. I mean, it doesn't feel sticky or tacky. Yeah, it's fragrance free. So why am I smelling it? Anyways, that's the lotion. I don't know what I'm doing, but clearly you know. And I believe I have a code. I feel like the code is LifestyleLeslie10 to save online. So make sure you guys go check that out. We have this kit. I don't know what this is. Glow Color, Clean and Vegan. So this is what it is, Glow Color. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, so here's say hello to makeup, moisture, and more. Ooh. Okay, so we have a lip serum pencil, which is right here. And this retails for $29. Okay, we're gonna open the pencil first. I love good packaging and I hate when you have to ruin it, but I totally get it. Oh, cute. So that's what it is, like a pencil. Glow Color, so fun. Oh my gosh, love that. Okay, and this is the Hybrid Face Mist. Hybrid Mist is right here. And this retails for $35. These are all in Canadian. This is the Hybrid Face Mist, which is so exciting. Oh, it's opened. Yeah, $35. I'm like, oh my gosh. Oh, that smells divine. Oh my gosh, this Hybrid Face Mist. Ooh, child, I'm gonna use this. Ultrafine water-based mist awakens skin while locking makeup in place. This is a keeper. So excited. Hybrid Face Primer. And this retails for $35 as well. And this is what it is, a face primer. We all love a face primer before makeup goes on. So shake well, and then you put it on. I'm sure it probably smells divine as well. Oh my God, it's like, that's the kind of consistency. Oh, it smells so good. I love this smell. Whatever this smell is, they nailed it on the head. Love it. Pencil. Oh. Oh. Oh my God, I want this all day, every day. This is gonna be in my makeup bag or in my purse daily. Daily Beauty Tools Scrunchie Band. Oh, I love one. Bought one and I'm mad that I bought one. Oh my God, my daughter's gonna die. I love that it's white, so it's like a beauty tool. It's like a little scrunchie for your head. Cute, look. So cute, so cute, love it. That's pretty much it for the haul PR unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are a company that wants to send any PR, let me know. My email is down below. I greatly appreciate it. But thank you so much to all these amazing brands for taking the time to send me something. And yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a like, thumbs up if you liked it so I know what kind of content to make for you guys. And comment below what you want to see. If you have a video idea or anything, let me know. I do reply to comments. I love you guys so much. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. And again, I upload 2 times a week and I just appreciate it because I appreciate y'all. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching and I love you and see you next time.